Yellow.
Okay, today is your Unit 1 oral test number 1. What's your name?
My name is Yagmur.
Okay, number 2. What's this?
It is a chair.
Very good. Number 3. What's this?
It is a board.
It is a
Poster.
not poster. Look at here is Turkey. Here is Samsung. Here's Istanbul. Here's America. What's this? What's this? What's this? It is a
map.
Yes, give me 5. It is a map. Okay. Now number 4. What's this?
It is a ruler.
Good job. Okay. Number 5. Is it a bag?
Yes, it is.
Great. Okay. Now you will read the max to me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Max is at home. Baby Ben is at home too. Max, please play with Ben.
This
This is a book Ben. This is a
hum.
home
Dog.
dog.
Look.
Ben. This is a yellow banana. Duck.
Yellow duck.
This is a white.
Okay, everyone.
White.
Yellow duck. Quack. White.
Yellow duck. Quack.
Yes. White cat.
White cat.
Meow.
Meow.
Give me 5. Okay, you will say goodbye. Goodbye. See you next time.
Next.